Sawadee. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing great. My name is Punchie. I live here in Bangkok where I work as a Thai and English teacher. I started teaching right after I graduated from Thammasat University where I studied journalism and mass communication. After I started my teaching career in a language center, now I prefer to work freelance as it gives me a better opportunity to adjust my lesson to the needs of individual students instead of following the one-size-fits-all that language centers usually offer. I teach English to Thai people and Thai to foreigners as well. I have found that teaching is just a fulfilling and rewarding career as everybody says it is, and maybe even more so. And teaching Thai to people from all over the world is just the most interesting and rewarding of all. I offer many different styles of Thai classes depending on your goal and your level. I try to fit my lesson to each individual student to make sure that they get the class that is perfect for their needs, and we can discuss it during your trial lesson. More generally, though, I offer four types of Thai classes: beginner, Thai for travelers, conversational, and intensive classes. In the beginner classes, I would introduce you to not only Thai language but Thai culture as well, because we know that the key to communication is not only about mastering the language but involves crossing the cultural barrier. The ultimate goal here is to guide you through the basic of Thai language and prepare you to have a more advanced use and understanding of the language later on. The Thai for Travelers class, on the other hand, is aimed at people who are taking a holiday in Thailand and want to learn only enough Thai to make their experience a little simpler and a little bit more fulfilling. This 10 lesson course will teach you how to cut, negotiate, take a taxi, make a reservation, order food, and much more. Conversational classes focus more on your fluency and on developing the Thai that you already know into a more fluent form with a range of new vocabulary. I will also correct your mistakes as we go to help you to tidy up your Thai. I believe that the best way to learn a language is to use it as often as you can. So in this kind of class, we can discuss a topic that you're interested in, or we can follow one of my many discussion plans designed to encourage you to use and improve your Thai and to give you opportunities to use as much of your vocabulary as possible. Lastly, we have intensive class. This class focuses on specific area of your Thai and seeks to develop particular skills, for example, reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Additionally, if you want to learn Thai for a particular reason, such as for business or education, this is the class for you. In my years of teaching, I have built up many different materials we can use in all our classes, such as videos, articles, books, and exercise sheets. I understand that learning a new language is difficult, especially if it's a language that is so different from your native tongue. In fact, I have experienced it myself with English. It's frustrating when you have trouble expressing yourself, and it's awkward when your tongue finds some words just physically impossible to pronounce, and it feels a little bit embarrassing when you make a mistake. But as a Thai proverb goes, "Pit ban kru," or mistakes are the best teacher. One thing I would ask you to remember in our classes is this: you never have to feel embarrassed about making a mistake or mispronouncing something. I've already had any mistakes you could make a million times before, and you never have to feel bad about it. After all, if you never make any mistake, then you wouldn't need my help. I'm sure that working together we will reach your goals in no time and have a fun and rewarding learning experience together. Just go ahead and book a no application trial class for the time that suits you and see what you think. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in class soon. Bye.